Let's see what's inside my Easter egg. So today I am unboxing the Easter egg that I deserve. Yes, not only kids will get Easter egg this Easter. Today it is my chance to have Easter egg. And it's not gonna be chocolate. It's gonna be something really nice that I like. Because I don't like sweets. Ta-da! This is the Rituals Easter egg for this year. They actually have two colors, in yellow and in pink. I actually have two, but the other one I am giving it to someone else. So this one I got in mare, or how do you pronounce that? Mare, I don't care. But I already had quite few rituals, and I tried all of them, and one of my favorite was the sakura, and the next favorite is this one. So what's inside? It is the shower foam and body cream and car air freshener. That's all.